In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply page numbers to your document. And here now I've got a very simple page layout, just simple text boxes all threaded together, but I'd like a page number on each page. And to do that, I need to be in the master. So each page has master A applied to it, and here is master A in the pages panel. I'll double click on the words A master, and I'm now in the master, and you can see in the bottom left hand corner it says I'm on A master. And I'm going to create a text box, and I'm going to put it in the top left for the sake of argument, and it's going to be text. And first off, I'm going to center it, sort of left to right center, and I also want it vertical as well. So I'm going to go to the object and text frame options and vertical justification, center, and I'll put a tick on preview and do OK. There's no text in there yet, so you can see. And I'll go back to the type menu, go down to insert special character, and if I go down to markers, current page number, and the shortcut, I'm on a Mac, is Command Shift Alt N. On the PC it will be Control Alt Shift N, and there we go, and we get a letter A, and it's a letter A because we're on A master. And I'll click on the select tool. I'm going to copy that. I'll just do an Alt drag and I'll put it on the right. So A refers to master A, and the A will be replaced by the page number. Let's have a look. I'll double click on page 1. There it is. And I'm now going to cycle through the pages, and we now have on each page a page number. And equally, if I duplicate A master, I'll just right mouse click on the words A master. I'm now on to B master, and you see the text boxes for my page numbering are still there, but now they're a letter B. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select them both and drag them down, and for this master I want the page numbers to be on the bottom, and you won't see them yet because each page is set to A master. But if I drag B master onto the requisite pages, so the letter changes from A to B, and there we go, you see. So page 1, we have the page number in the top right, and page 2 and 3, it's in the bottom because they're dealing with B master. In the pages panel, there are a lot more options regarding page numbering, and I'll just briefly show you where they are. I'll just right mouse click on page 2, and basically we can go through numbering and section options. And if I click on that, I can tell InDesign to start a new section and start page numbering from whatever number I wish. And in this case, I'll keep it as 1. I can also put a specific prefix, choose a style. So I can choose Roman numerals, letters, and so on and so forth. And there's a few others which are very useful. So it's worthwhile going through them all. But for now, I'll just start a section. And a section break will be denoted by the little upside down triangle. So at the moment, page 1 is a section break. I'll do OK, and it's warning me a page number in this section already exists. We've already got a page 1. Well, I'm not fussed. Do OK, and bingo. And so we now have 2 sections. A page 1 here. Double click on this one, and this is another page 1, and we have a section break. So you can see this is a facing page document, so page 1 is on the right hand side. But if I go to the first page 1, right mouse click on it and go down to numbering and section, and let's change it to a letter. Let's do it uppercase, and that's fine, and bingo, now we've got A. And if I add a new page, we have B, C. I'm doing the quick shortcut Command Shift P or Control Shift P. And if I go to the other page 1, the master B, and we're on, see, 1 here, Command Shift P, 2, and so on and so forth. And that's how you add page numbers to your masters, and that's how you change how the page numbers look by right mouse clicking, going to numbering and section options.